Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei Mate 40 Pro and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System and Updates. Now let's tap on the third position, Language and Input, and choose Language and Region. As you can see here, we've got the list of languages which we are using, and we've got only English right now. In order to add new one, just tap on Add a Language. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all languages which are available and from which we can choose. So let's find the language you want to use and simply tap on it. I will pick, for example, Dutch. Just tap on it. And now your device is asking you if you want to change your system language to Dutch. So if you are ready, tap on Change. And as you can see, the whole system, the whole menu just changed to the chosen language. Let me go back to English and let me show you if you've got two languages applied to the list. All you have to do to change it is simply tap on the one you want to use, hold it and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, it immediately changes. If you want to remove the language, just tap on the three dot icon, tap on Remove Languages, tap on the one you want to remove and click on Remove. Let's tap on OK. And as you can see, it immediately disappears from our list. So that's all. This is how to change system language in your Huawei Mate 40 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.